Hey everyone, if you are facing screen flickering or screen blinking issue on your laptop or desktop, in this video I will show you how to fix this. So let's start with our first method. Check your display drivers. So first right click on the desktop, then click on this option display settings. Scroll down, click on this option advanced display settings. Now in the refresh rate, if you have a multiple refresh rate, check with a different one, and in the most cases this will fix your issue. Move on to the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, if the refresh rate is not working, click on this option display adapter properties. Now click on this option properties. After that click on the second tab drivers. Now first try to update the display driver. Click on this option update driver. Click on this option search automatically. After updating the driver, restart your system and this will fix the issue. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. If this option is available, roll back driver. If this option is available, try with this option. So this will roll back the previously installed driver, and in the most cases this will fix the error. Now move on to the next method. If you are still getting the same issue, uninstall the latest quality updates. So for this, click on this Windows icon and then type reset this PC. You will see the result, reset this PC. Click on it. After that, click on this option restart now in advanced startup. So this will open the advanced mode, and you can apply the same method if you are using Windows 11. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option, and here you will see the option of uninstall updates. Click on it. So there are two updates, latest quality updates and latest feature updates. Uninstall both the updates one by one. I will show you how to do it. With the first one, latest quality updates, click on it. Click on this option uninstall quality updates. So this will uninstall the latest quality updates, and do the same thing with the second one, uninstall this latest feature updates as well. So these are the two methods you can apply to fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.